Hello children, welcome back to English class. This is Unit 3, Hina's Determination. This is a story of it's an interesting story of a little girl named Hina, who always strives to get first rank in the class. Though she studies hard and works hard to get first rank, though she sets a goal and she determines to get first rank, she could not do so. So let us see why she couldn't do so. So this is a story of a little girl, Hina. So she always works hard to be topper in the class. But what happens as the results appear, she'll be in 10th place in the class. So she was upset and she cries a lot after the result has been announced. Then her mother consoles her and she gives a good message. She always says to her that one who has determination and the willpower to achieve their goals can work wonders. And she also gives some examples of great persons like Winston Churchill, who had been turned to Prime Minister of United Kingdom, and Thomas Alva Edison. He was a great scientist, as you know, and Abraham Lincoln, President of America. See, Thomas Alva Edison, he was a very slow learner. When he was a student, he was poor student, slow learner. And but what happened at the course of time? He was influenced on modern life, contributing inventions such as the incandescent light bulb, the phonograph, and motion picture camera, as well as improving the telegraph and telephone. So he was so great. He has done so many inventions and also discoveries. Okay, so you should not discourage or you should not be upset as you are so poor or you are getting so less marks in the class. Okay, so first one should have willpower. Then only you can achieve any set of goals. Okay, then she comes to an understanding that where there is a will, there is a way. Always Hina's teacher used to tell her that where there is a will, there is a way. Then she'll come to an understanding that if there is a really willpower, one can achieve any type of targets or goals. So let us go into the lesson. There, said Hina, flinging her school bag down on the kitchen table. I'm never going to try again. So she strived hard, she worked hard to get first rank. So she was upset as she came from the school. She flinged her bag. That means she dropped the bag on the kitchen floor, on the kitchen table, and she started crying. Why? What has happened? Hina asked mother. The teacher has put up the exam results today, and again I am 10th in the class. So she wanted to be first in the class. She wanted to stand first in the class. But what happened? She got 10th rank. I really worked hard to be the topper this time. Hina buried her face in her hands and began to cry. So she started saying this, she started crying. Cheer up, said mother, coming over to Hina's side and putting an arm around her. So as Hina was crying, Hina's mother stretched her arms around her and started consoling her. How can I? I'm always getting a low rank. I simply can't get to the top. I have never had a prize, and I suppose I will never have one. See, as you think, getting a prize from principal sir as a topper prize from principal sir, it's a great pride to every student. So I'm just stupid. That's what I'm. And I'll never be any good at all, wept Hina. Wept means to cry. So she herself scolded that she was stupid and she will never get a good rank or good marks at all, though she strived hard. Then, you know, Hina, determination and the will to achieve your goal can work wonders. Then her mother said that if you have strong determination and will to achieve your goal, you can work wonders, she said. Her mother consoled. Let me tell you a story. You have heard of Winston Churchill, the great wartime Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. So she started saying about the great person, Winston Churchill, the great um, wartime Prime Minister of United Kingdom. So we have completed half of the lesson, children. So your assignment is just you write the three inventions of Thomas Alva Edison. As I told you in the starting of the lesson, I told you the inventions of Thomas Alva Edison. Just once again you go through the video and write down the inventions of him. Okay? And once again read this lesson. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.